As the sun sets over the picturesque town, a sense of tranquility fills the air. Meet Lucas, an 8-year-old boy with a wild imagination and a heart full of bravery, with a mop of unruly hair and a grin that lights up the room. One day, while exploring his backyard, Lucas stumbles upon a dusty old robot hidden in the bushes. In a corner of the overgrown garden, Lucas spots something metallic glinting in the fading light. With a curious gleam in his eye, Lucas presses a button, and to his amazement, the robot powers up. The robot hums to life, its mechanical voice echoing through the quiet garden as it reveals its noble purpose: to protect the town from rampaging monsters that emerge from the nearby forest. That very night, a massive monster with glowing eyes and sharp claws descends upon the town. With a determined glint in his eyes, Lucas climbs aboard the robot, ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead. The ground shakes as the monster approaches, its shadow looming large over the town. Lucas, with his newfound friend, the robot, bravely steps forward to confront the monster. Through wit and teamwork, Lucas and the robot emerge victorious, sending the monster fleeing back into the depths of the forest. With the monster defeated, the townsfolk rejoice, knowing that Lucas and his robot guardian will keep them safe. As the stars twinkle overhead, Lucas and the robot stand as heroes, ready for whatever adventures tomorrow may bring. And so, with the night breeze whispering through the trees, Lucas's town settles into a peaceful slumber, safe once more. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Good night.